In this video, I will show you how to travel fast in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So as you may know, the maps for LEGO Fortnite are actually very big, and it does take some time to explore the entire map. Now there's actually 3 different ways that I'm going to go through with you today on how you can travel faster around the different worlds. So the first method, if you didn't already know, is that you can actually sprint. So instead of just running at the normal speed, you can hold down the sprint button and you can see a little bar is going to appear at the bottom. Now this is your stamina bar, so you can sprint to get to places faster. However, as you can see, the stamina bar does go down and eventually you're going to run out and you're going to need to wait for this to recharge before you can sprint again. The second method I'm going to go through with you is only available in sandbox mode. It's not available in survival, but what you can do is if you double tap on the jump button, you can actually fly around the world as well, and again you can hold down the sprint button to go ahead and fly faster. But just bear in mind, as mentioned, this is not available in survival mode, only in the sandbox version of the game. And the very final method is to actually build a vehicle. So to do this, if you actually open up the build menu, and what you're going to want to do is at the top you want to come across to toys, and this is how to go ahead and build a vehicle. So first you're going to want a dynamic foundation, so something like this, and you just want to build this. Then what you want to do is add some wheels. Effectively what we're going to do is make a kind of car vehicle. So you just want to put basically 2 wheels on each side. So I'm going to put one here, one there, and then another 2 on the opposite side. So once that's done, the next thing you're going to need is some thrusters. So again, if you open up the build menu and in your toys, you're going to see thrusters. You've got large thrusters and small thrusters, and what you want to do is put these on the back of your vehicle. So you can put as many as you want. I normally just put about 2, so like one here and one there. And finally, what you want to do is put an activation switch, and you want to put this on the actual platform itself. So if you just add this to the platform, and then what you can do is use this vehicle to get around faster. All you need to do is jump onto the platform, interact with the activation switch, and as you can see, we've built a kind of car which is going to help you to get around places faster and explore the world faster. So that is 3 ways on how to travel faster in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.